Welcome to this clarity session. This session is designed to help you break free from confusion. I know you want to create content. You see others are doing it. Some are making money, some are growing really fast, but you're stuck. Maybe you don't know what niche to choose, or you don't even know what is possible for you. I mean, the kind of niche that fits you, that you can do freely. So by the end of this session, you'll have a niche that's not only profitable, but it also fits your lifestyle, personality, and interest. So let's get started. So let's discuss the 3 niche framework. A successful content niche sits at the center of 3 main things, which are: what are you naturally interested in and good at? Number 2, what people are already watching and searching for. Number 3, what do advertisers, brands, or businesses, what are they willing to spend their money on? So if your content fits all 3, you are in a very powerful position to grow fast and make money doing what you enjoy doing. It feels just natural to you. So the aim of this session is for you to help discover your niche, something that feels natural for you to do. So let's start from within. You don't need to pretend to be anyone else. Your lifestyle and the things you're interested in, they already hold the answer to your niche, the niche you will choose. What you need to do is to help discover that niche. Get your notepad, open a notes app on your phone. So I'll ask a few questions. Answer them from your heart. Be very honest. Number 1, what are the 3 topics you could talk about for hours without getting bored? Number 2, what do people often come to you for help with? Do people come to you for advice? Is there something special that you can do that people always find a way to come to you when they seek advice or help, direct help that you can do? Number 3, what does your daily lifestyle already involve? For example, you're being a mom. Are you tech savvy? Do you do skincare routines? Is it school? You talk about schooling? Or you talk about business? Is it about cooking? You're all about hustle. Just what does already your daily lifestyle, what is it like? What does it involve? Number 4, what kind of videos or content do you love watching the most on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram? Number 5, who would you love to help through your content and why? I mean, which demography of people, which kind of people are you talking about? Teenagers, married people? Is it people in relationship? Is it about healthcare? Who would you love to help through your content and why? So take your time to reflect on these questions. The answers to these questions will reveal what already comes natural to you, which means it will be easier and more enjoyable to create content around those topics. You can choose to pause the video right now and reflect on those questions, or you can choose to continue. But whatever you do, make sure you answer those questions honestly. I cannot answer those ones for you, but you will find out that you get what you're looking for. Now that you know what you love and what feels natural, let's check if it's profitable and scalable. Now, what this means is there an audience for it? I mean, what you chose, the niche you chose, is there an audience for it? And can you eventually make money from it? These are very important questions. We had 5 questions previously, so let's go to number 6 question now. Are people searching for or watching contents in this space you're looking at, in this niche you're looking at? So what you have to do is you use YouTube search, you use TikTok trends or Google trends to check if people are already watching this kind of content. And if people are actually watching this kind of content, the niche that you chose, that means you're on the right track. Number 7 question. Have you seen creators in that niche getting brand deals or promoting products? That's the number 7 question. Have you seen them maybe promoting one company, one website, or try to give a product review? See, the answer is yes. That means money is flowing in that niche. So that's a good sign. Number 8. Would advertisers want to spend money in this niche, in this space, the niche you chose? You have to consider high CPM niches when you're also considering to pick a niche. So high CPM niches, they're like finance. Finance is a high CPM niche. You talk about budgeting, crypto, investing. Tech is there. Maybe you're doing apps review, gadgets, phone reviews. There's health and wellness, which could include fitness, skincare, supplements. You talk about supplements, health supplements. There's business and side hustles. So business, again, you're talking about businesses, side hustles. These are high CPM niches. Education, you talk about study tips, exam preparation tips. You are teaching something around us education sector. They talk about motherhood and parenting. That's another high CPM niche. You can do your research what CPM mean, what high CPM niches mean. All right. Then there's another one, productivity and personal development. That one again is also a high CPM niche. Number 9. Can you talk about this topic in a way that feels natural without burning out? I mean, it will be helpful. It could be entertaining, or it's even inspiring. I mean, you can talk about it in that way without you getting exhausted, burning out, getting tired. If yes, then this niche passes what they call the consistency test. What that means is it's something that you can do over time, for a long time, repeatedly, because of course it feels natural. So now it's time to put it all together. I mean, you've answered all the questions. It's like time to put it all together. Now you see, you now write this in your notepad. You write in quotes. A niche is a statement you're writing, all right? A niche I could start with is this, dash, an empty space, dash, because I already do it, people are interested in it, and I've seen others monetize it. Now, ask yourself, can I create 10 pieces of content around this niche to test if it is right for me? If your answer is yes, congratulations. You've just found your starting point. So now you have done what most beginners do never do. I mean, you've found clarity. So take note, your niche is not permanent. You can always evolve, try other things, do new things. But the important thing is when you find your niche, you have to test it consistently over time. What is most important is for you right now, is you can now start creating because you have found clarity. So you start small, create 10 videos or 10 posts. You focus on value. You also focus on giving value. Then you can focus on reaching out to, giving value to one person at a time. Because the fastest way to grow is to begin. And now you have a direction. So go for it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment, ask any questions, and I will answer you.